Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. We've got a brand new diamond painting project here, and I saw it on the works the other night when I was having a good old browse around seeing what I could find that I liked. And as you can see, I've almost finished my butterfly card, so obviously I need a new project to take over from it. So yeah, so this is the flower painting, and I've got to be honest with you guys, a lot of their diamond paintings are literally near enough sold out, so you really have to grab them quick. This was £4 and this was a flower, so I really do hope it looks like what we can see on there. So let's take a look inside the package. And this was supposed to be here 2 days ago, but yeah, that's Hermes for you. But it weren't actually the courier's fault this time. It was because the works didn't ship it on time, even though I paid next day delivery, but they refunded the delivery charge for me. So it's looking very promising. Okay, so this one has 9 colours in it, so let's take a look and see what it looks like. I get this vibe that it's going to be a really good one. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Yeah, it really, that's going to be perfect. That's what it's going to look like up there. So this is going to be a really lovely summery one. It's what we call a partial, so obviously around the edge here will not be done. We're just focusing on the central point, which will be this flower here. You can see individual different flowers there. Yeah, that's going to be a really good one. It's a lovely 30x30. Again, with all your paintings, you do get yourself a pen, a little round tray and wax. There's no way of escaping these guys. If you do a lot of paintings, you're going to get one in every single thing that you buy. So yeah. Okay, so that's the painting. Let's take a look at the colours. So these are the colours. So it looks as if we've got, and this is nice because I don't know if you guys can see that, but they've actually printed the number on there for us. These paintings seem to work with numbers only. They don't really do symbols like A or B or C. So you've got purple, red, lilac, a little bit of grey. You've got these are the AB drills, so the typical standard ABs. You've got a lovely sort of pink, yeah, sort of like a peachy pink. You've got, I would say, turquoise, a very lovely fuchsia colour, which is pink. That's probably something to do with New and Earth. I'd say probably similar to that pink, maybe a darker sort of pink. But yeah, you've got some lilac there, and we can't go without saying the beautiful yellow there, guys. We use this colour nearly every painting, and it is a beauty. So yeah, that is our drills. So really excited for this. So I'm going to wrap this up. This is going to be coming to the channel soon, and I'm looking into doing weekend videos on this channel. So this will probably be the first painting that we do on the Saturday. So I'm probably going to start this from Saturday. So yeah, that's our painting. Obviously, if you do like it, do head over to the works and you can get that for yourself. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll be seeing more of this lovely painting very soon, and we'll kickstart this on this Saturday and start getting away with it, painting it and getting it moving. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. I mean, sometimes when you buy paintings, they never look like what's online. As I said about this one here, I'm very disappointed with that, but because I've opened it, I'm going to have to do it. And it's just too much hassle returning things. You know, you've got to put it in the post, wait for it to get there, to then wait for them to process it. You know, you're probably talking about a 2-week wait, so there's no point. I'll still do that, but I'm really happy with that. It's so cheap, you know, £4. You can't argue with that. It's just a lovely company. Yeah, so I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. The first one will be coming up this Saturday, and we'll see you then, guys. So until then, until another boxing, the next unboxing will probably be fan sales, but until then, that's been Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. Have a lovely evening, and I'll catch you later.